Good morning, students. Today we are going to do lesson number 4, The Cop and the Anthem, from the supplementary book An Alien Hand. This chapter is written by O. Henry. O. Henry is very famous for bringing twist at the end of the story. So I hope you all will love and enjoy this humorous and funny chapter. Before I begin with the chapter, I would like to ask the students that have you ever found yourself in a situation in which what happened was the opposite of what you expected? If so, you are familiar with the irony of the situation, which is often very embarrassing. So the story that we are going to read today has a number of such ironical situations. So irony basically means that whatever you expect, opposite of that happens in your life. So in this chapter by O. Henry, we are going to discuss about a homeless man called Soapy, who notices once in a cold night on his park bench that he has to try to do everything that is possible in order to get into prison for 3 months to survive the winter. Soapy was a young man. He had left his home and parents. He became a vagabond. Vagabond means a person who roams here and there without any work, without any shelter. He spent his days alone in Madison Square, that is the name of a place. It was all right in summer. He made his bed warm with 3 newspapers. There were quite a few others like him living there in the same park in the same area called Madison Square. What would happen during the winter? So he was quite worried that summer is okay, that he will be able to spend his time lying on the bench in the park. But what would happen when the winters will approach? So he started feeling uneasy. Uneasy means uncomfortable. The winter was coming. He felt cold on the park bench. He realized the need to find some cozy place. But he did not think of going to warmer regions outside the country because he was having no money. Just 3 months in the prison on Blackwell's Island was what he wanted. So he thought that he would better get himself in the prison. He would be caught by the cops and he would ask them to get him into the prison, and the prison was situated on Blackwell's Island. There he was sure of getting food and a bed every night. He would be safe from cold wind and also from fear of the police. He had been to prison for a number of times during winter before this also. So he ultimately decided that prison would be the best place to spend his winters over there. So he decided to go to prison somehow. If he goes to any other place, he would have to pay for the room and meals. He might be asked to wash their clothes and answer all of personal questions. So prison was better than all other options. He would be his own master there. Students, you are requested to read page number 20, 21 and 22, and I am sharing few difficult words and their meanings which you will come across. First one, restlessly means feeling uneasy. Signs means indications. Bay means a broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inwards. Cops means policemen, and richer means wealthier. Thank you.